Good morning, everyone. We have the trail. So right now we're waiting on someone to come with us. I think he just woke up or something. And we're here like we're waiting for an hour. And these are them. So yeah.
Hello, maputik ngayon. Nako, I wasn't expecting this. Another muddy trail. It was raining last night that I didn't know. Probably. Oh, ibang daan tayo? Pero ibang ridge yun. Check.
Pero connected naman lahat, di ba?
Hindi, iba to. Pwede naman natin i-explore. Chill ride lang. Sabagay, gusto ni Kenneth mag-record eh. Yung sa kabila daw, sabi ni Thomas, flowy. Sabi ni mabilis.
Ito?
Oo. Yung sa baba lang daw yung parang maputik.
Ito na lang.
Try natin, explore natin.
Like sobrang mabilis daw?
Flowy lang daw, walang rocks.
Okay.
Dito.
Pero mabilis?
Oo.
Ano? Kayo?
Gusto na i-explore?
Ako, kahit ano ko.
Tara, tapos kung hindi maganda, pwede naman tayo kabila.
Pwede.
Tara.
Bueno. Hindi ko na alam kung saan. Buddy.
Ganun. Up. Ito dali. Up. Yan, nagigits.
Come here. Oh, she's not friendly.
No.
This guy is friendly.
Ito mabait talaga ako.
So I went by and see like the Malaekahana Trail because that's where I want to go. But I think it's just a little bit complicated because it's a private property. Shit, my
Story of my life. Story of my life.
Ika lang.
Paalala mo sa handset ni pagbalik sa moto. Mahigit 500 dito ang gagastusin ko sin.
Ha?
Mahigit 500 dito. Mga attachments. Balik na.
Adik ka na. Pagod? So we're in another trail that we're trying to explore. I don't know why Tom lead us here because we're trying to find a new path instead of like going in the same trail that we are in like a few weeks ago. I think this trail hasn't been cleared off for a very long time. Ay, putik yan. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Seryoso tayo dyan.
Parang pinahirapan natin lalo to.
Mahala na. Tae ka. Bat kahoy. Parang dito pwede pang bike na area. I don't know if we can ride downhill in this path. Oh, I guess we can. Exploration team tayo. Oh, kaya pa. Tulak. I think we're in a wrong area. Oh, look at that! What the heck? It's very cool.
Yun ano natin, no?
Ayun nga, yan yung ano, trail.
Hindi, goods.
Yan yung pine trees.
Goods. Yun yung dinaan natin.
Ang ganda. Even though I came here like 4 times already, it's still so cool. I don't know. I think it's just cool. Ito na naman. Dumating na kami. So we're here now at Pine Trees. I wasn't able to record this from previous videos, but this is pretty cool. Look at these big trees. Look at this guy. So this path leads to Layu Falls, which is like I think an hour away. We're tired from pushing our bikes. I think if we're going on a hike, it would be good. Ata. So right now we're just gonna chill. Just gonna take rest, a little bit of rest, and just enjoy the nature. See ya. Shucks.
Babad yung rear brake ko.
Yun na. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Ba't ka na naman?
Dito ba?
Diyan sa kabila, sa right side. Oh, yawe. Ayaw eh! Oh, shucks. Oh. Ay! Oh! Aray. Aray.
Dito na lang.
Hey, morning.
Morning.
Take some confidence, no helmet. Yeah, no broke student. Broke international student, that's why. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
You guys enjoy too.
Thanks.
Hi.
Yahoo! Tuloy, 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 tuloy. Ha? Ano? Tumatalbog yung gulong ko. Masyadong matigas. Wait lang, bawasan ko muna hangin ko. Bawasan ko muna. Okay. Let's go. Speed. Speed lang. Speed, speed, speed. Naka-record pa ba to? Yeah. Okay. Yan. Ito yung protect ng mata ko. Ah, kapagod. Ay, yawe. Oh, shucks, 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 shucks. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Ay, shucks. Ay, yawi. Puti. Ay, yawi. Itla. Oh, I almost crashed. What the frick? Shucks! Oh. One more. One more. One more. Mahina ba ako? Mahina ba ako? Ha? Oh, sorry. Okay. Frick. So. My so hurts pretty bad. Hurrah! Okay. We're gonna catch lunch. Buti survive yung bike ko. Muntik na ako dun.
Nakakakaba ko kasi wala akong helmet ba? Ang iisip ko kapag helmet lang ako, dali yung ulo ko.
Remat tayo. Di wow. Iniwan mo na kami.